Hulbert yn colli'r bêl. Corey Shepherd yn chwarae'r bas ymlaen. Yn chwilio am Curtis Gemmet Hudson. Seitis yn gwarchod y bêl. Gemmet Hudson yn teimlo bod o wedi cael ei wthio fan hyn, ac os na gic o'r ysmotyn. Wel, mae'n anghrediniaeth gan Callum Sainty. Curtis Gemmet Hudson yn brwydro efo Callum Sainty am y bêl, ac mae'r Llymanwr yn awgrymu i bod yn gic o'r ysmotyn. Mae'r dyfarnwr yn cytuno. A Ben Amon fydd yn cymryd y gic o'r ysmotyn i Pontypridd, ac Amon yn sgorio i roi'r tîm cartre ar y blaen. Rowlio hi i mewn i'r gornel. Jamie Veal yn taro honna, ac honna yn y gornel yn cael ei dal yn saff gan George Ratcliffe. Chris Hugh ddim wedi cael ei faglu, meddai'r dyfarnwr Nick Pratt. Chwarae ymlaen, mae Curtis Rees chwilio am Ben Amon i lawr y dde. Amon ddim yn camsefyll, ond y cyffyrddiad braidd yn drwm. Amon dal yno. Amon yn ergydog yn taro'r postyn. A mercyd oedd bron a rhoi Pontypridd 2 ar y blaen. Ewan Press i'r canol, Jared Wright, yr unig chwaraewr oedd yno. Press yn mynd am y peniad, troedd uchel yma na gan Ethan Vaughan. Mae Evan Press i lawr, ail gerdyn melyn i Ethan Vaughan, ac mae'n gerdyn coch. Ethan Vaughan yn cael ei anfon o'r cae, a hynny am yr eildro'r tymor yma'n barod. Veal yn codi honna i'r canol. Peniad allan gan Jared Wright. A Pontypridd yn ennill y bêl yn ôl. Os na gyfle i wrth ymosod y fan hyn. Curtis Gemmet Hudson yn chwarae'r bas ymlaen i Corey Shepherd. Shepherd sy'n drwyddo. Shepherd yn cadw'r ergydd yn isel, ond heibio i'r postyn. Mae'n mynd. Chris Hugh yn lledu honna i gyfeiriad Snaith. Mae hwnna'n disgyn i Tomlinson. Mewn i'r cwrt Cosby, mae dal yno. Oddi ar y llinell gan Ben Margetson. Ac am arbediad gan yr amddiffynwr Ben Margetson yn llithro i mewn ar y llinell. Blythe dan bwyso gan Corey Shepherd. Blythe yn colli honna i Corey Shepherd. Mae 'na le gan Clayton Green i lawr y canol i Pontypridd. Clayton Green y capten i selio'r fuddugoliaeth am arbediad gan Mike Lewis i rwystro Clayton Green. Blythe a'i ben yno. Rees yn rheoli i Pontypridd. Owen Pritchard. 3 yn erbyn 2 i Pontypridd rwan. Owen Pritchard ar draws y cwrt Cosby. Curtis Rees. Curtis Rees, arbediad campus arall gan Mike Lewis. Pontypridd wedi cael sawl cyfle i sicrhau'r triffwynt yma.
Ben, another clean sheet, another win. That must be a happy dressing room.
Yeah, definitely. You know, we pride ourselves this year on keeping clean sheets. You know, I think that's 4 in 5 now. Only conceded 1 goal, so that's the sort of base for us. Hopefully now we can start building on that, scoring more goals, and you know we should be, you know, a powerful team this year.
Steve, it was a hard-fought game. Can you quite believe that you didn't get a goal in the end there?
No, I can't. I can't. I thought we controlled the game for long periods. I thought we looked really comfortable. I like to see the pen again because I'm not sure it was, but possibly we should have been in that position to have to make the referee or the linesman make a decision. We could have tidied up a little bit quicker, but I'd like to see that again. But apart from that, I thought we controlled the game and had some really great opportunities then to level, and then, you know, goal change games. It would have been interesting to see then what the outcome of the game gone without us getting a leveller, but we didn't manage it.
Andrew, that was a hard-fought win.
Yeah, exactly that. I didn't particularly think we were at our best today, but we've grinded out another win, and yeah, that's all that counts.
You were playing against 10 men for the last few minutes there, putting pressure on them. It wasn't quite the late drama that you've managed to do earlier this season.
No, it wasn't, and you know, I wanted more width. I was asking for width and see if we can get to the byline and get around them. But what we ended up doing was obviously hitting long diagonals, and you know that's what Pontypridd are good at. You know, the three centre halves, they haven't conceded many goals this year, and to be fair, they dealt with it. But it weren't the fact that we lost first contacts, we didn't pick up second or third contacts, which we need to, and then recycle and go again. So that was disappointing. But I think, you know, between the two boxes, I thought we controlled it. Just weren't ruthless enough to get the equaliser.
There was also another red card for you in that second half. Ethan Vaughan, not for the first time this season. I think that's 3 for you already. Is that a concern for you in terms of that discipline and also being able to keep 11 men on the pitch?
I don't think it's discipline. I think we're disciplined. I think it's just naive. I think it's really naive, and especially the young lad, he'll learn. You know, because you've got a good group here that'll help him as well. But it has to stop. You know, we can't keep on having to defend with 10 men in games in this league. You know, because you can get punished. But you know, naive more than sort of ill-disciplined for me.
Why do you think you've had such a great defensive start to the season? As you say, you've only conceded 1 goal in 5 games.
Yeah, so you know we've added quality to the squad. You know, bringing the likes of Keston, you know, Owen Pritchard, Vaughan in, and we just pride ourselves. You know, if we get a clean sheet, we know we're going to at least, you know, draw or win the game. So, you know, if we can keep building that base for ourselves, then, you know, we're going to have a really good season.
Yeah, I see loads of positives. Because a lot of people wrote us off before the start of the season, and we are really competitive. But at the minute, we're finding a way to let points drift, and we've seen that on Tuesday, and we've seen that today. I think we should have got something out of the game today, and we should have won the game on Tuesday, but we haven't. Okay, so that's disappointing. But I think if we look at it in its entirety, I'm really positive in terms of how things are going. But you know, we want to get that first win.